Your car deserves better. Introducing the all-new truFIT C1 floor mat. Crafted with premium automotive-grade art leather for durability, refined finish, and long-lasting performance. Designed with a tailor-made seamless fit that perfectly matches your car's floor, giving your interior a clean and premium look. Built to handle daily wear, it features a reinforced anti-skid heel pad for added durability in high-use areas. Its spill-resistant and washable surface makes cleaning effortless, keeping your car fresh and mess-free. With a 10mm thick cushioning, it delivers superior comfort and support on every drive. Engineered for all-weather performance, it protects against heat, dust, and moisture, while reducing underfloor heat for a more comfortable cabin experience. The premium embroidery detailing adds a touch of elegance, while anti-slip Velcro ensures the mat stays firmly in place. Covering up to 80 to 85% of your car's carpet area, it provides maximum protection without compromise. Backed by a 12-month warranty and proudly made in India, truFIT C1 is engineered for performance and designed for style. Upgrade your car, upgrade your experience,